Welcome back to Excellent Rides. I'm here with Zach once again
Howdy.
on the next journey for Trans Am. Just went and picked up an engine stand. Oh, as it's falling over because we're hoping this weekend to go pick up 350 out of an 85 Corvette for the car, which would be a lot better than the 305 that don't move.
Doesn't work.
Yes. It's a few days later. Got the engine hoist. Got one. About to go get number two to help. And we're going to be on our way to go get the new hopeful heart for the Trans Am. Ain't that right?
Yep.
Okay.
This isn't going to do anything because the hole in the tire is so large.
Oh, so then just grab that. What? I'm
Your
not
feet.
sure about stacking.
It's chilly, but it was so hot in the truck that I just took my jacket off.
I know.
I had my winter jacket on. I was like, and then after you start working a little bit, I'm like, yeah, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were packed into the truck like sardines.
Yeah, we were elbow to elbow. I'm like, wow, I didn't think I'd be like that in a full size.
Are you gonna put that thing on there now?
No.
No, that could wait.
Is that going on the engine stand?
Yeah, we have an engine stand in the garage at his house. We also have my uncle's engine hoist at his house.
Oh, do you guys have a chain now?
Yeah, that should.
Oh. Is that, well, that's his.
That one should work.
No, the one in the bed of the truck.
Oh.
That one should work. It's not heavy. It's not like that.
It's this one. That's the other chain you guys used to put the 355 into the back of whatever truck you guys had.
That exact one?
Yeah, that was what came with my uncle's engine.
Seems typical.
That's it.
That's all we got?
That's I'm bottomed out right now. Yeah.
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah. Blow it down slowly. Let's see what we got.
So it's got a little bit of a weight on it, right?
Yep.
So might be able to move it if you want to go back a little bit. That'll work.
Was it clearing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's heavy, yeah.
No.
While it's like that,
It's not always on it yet.
Give chocks.
Hold it.
I feel like it's
No,
tilting.
you both gotta hold that. It's too heavy.
Okay. You got grab Dwayne.
Oh,
It's put right behind.
And the other side.
you sure this has to come off? That's
That should be okay for right now. Yeah, you gotta take this off.
not this one. They're longer.
Alright, maybe yeah. This is why I'm here. These are gonna totally be bigger. Those are, let's say 5/8.
Good,
Oh boy. I'll leave this side.
No,
Oh, we sure do.
first one.
No, wait. Oh, I wonder if. There's no way I could use millimeter, can it? Nope. Wait. I'd be kind of pissed. Nope. Nope. Patience.
One still has them self-locking washers. There. Should see about taking it off.
Do you have a set of sockets?
Yeah, somewhere.
I was gonna say I don't got mine on me.
I have.
It'd be too much of a nightmare.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you guys think you go in here in terms of the next step that we, and I think that's a good idea. You guys get the idea. Or a piece of wood, something flat, because you need to bridge that gap.
Yeah, we need like a thin piece of plywood. Because otherwise it's not gonna open up.
Okay. In the corner she goes.
Hold on, I'll grab the top. Hold on, don't fucking kill yourself, jeez.
I'm gonna pull it back a bit.
Whoa.
Alright, I can make it up to
Thank you.
Alright, so next day, the tarp came off a little bit. We put on top of this a little tiny bit of water got in, but that's not gonna hurt it. We're cleaning it all up anyway. We got the flywheel off. Oh, we moved it. Got the flywheel off, so now we can actually put it on the engine stand and do our best to get it into the garage.
Yes.
Grab the rod. Put it on the rod. It's too big for the fucking hole. There's the pen. I found it.
Where?
For the leg. Alright, after the debacle that was trying to get this into the garage because that's newly paved pavement, had to grab some stone, lift the front of the engine hoist up to be able to get it into the garage, and we got it on the stand. The Trans Am's new heart. Ready to just slap it in?
Old new heart.
Yes, all new to us, old
Yeah.
to everybody else. But
Functioning heart.
yeah, this one actually spins compared to the 305 that's in the Trans Am. So
It spun by hand without even needing tools. It
yeah, with the
spun-
flywheel,
Yeah,
we
with the
were able
flywheel.
to barely put any effort into actually spinning it, and so
Of course, it doesn't have any plugs or anything in it. But
No. But it's a better start than what we got.
Yeah.
And so
that's for sure.
this will be coming up of us tearing it down, building it up. Building it up will probably be a while just because it's going to be a decent, it'll be a little bit of money, a little bit of time.
Yeah, take a little bit,
But this will be perfect to do over the winter because we won't really be able to do much with the car per se because it's outside.
other than the 30-second video of us tarping it. YouTube short.
Yeah, that's perfect. It'll be spread up too.